which is again, it's free. So let me show you that. You just have to go to this option and go to settings, and here you need to put in your details, the email ID, your first name, last name, company, the format that you need, and you can get it in whatever format you need. If you want to 3D print it directly, you can get it in STL formats. Here, STL 3D, or whichever format that you require, and then your address, phone number, and you just have to keep a username and a password. Then you have to select create login. Then this register page will pop up where you need to put in your email address, your password again, the time zone. I'm in India, so I'll be choosing this time zone, and you need to put this captcha as a verification. Once that's done, you need to come into these two paragraphs, which are the agreements, and here there are checkboxes which are really tiny, the dots to the left if you can see. So I need to select this paragraph in order to check that box. So once I click the paragraph, you can notice the change that happened to the tiny dot to the left. Same has to be done with this second paragraph. That's it. So once that's done, just click on continue and you're ready. Once that's done, select your model. Suppose I select this bearing, and I go to, maybe I have to change this value, and there. Now I can select email CAD PDF. Again, I can change the format if it is needed, and then select email CAD model. Once that's done, you will receive an email with different links and these informations that you can go through, and the zip file, which is obviously our part. So this you can download it through your laptop and use it for whatever requirement that you have. So let me show you the second software, that is CAD model. Even this has a wide range of components. As I said, the interface is same. I go to this catalog, and this part. So again, I can change the specifications. There is the third option, it says download email CAD PDF. Again, in this I have not configured my details. The procedure is same as explained in the first software. So that's it. So I hope this helped you. If it did, please leave a like, or if you have any doubt, please comment down below. And there are a few more softwares as I showed. The link to those softwares I'll be providing in my description. So hope these softwares helps you with your coursework or your job. So until next time, happy learning. Thank you.